welcome back to our channel.
And today
We are going to vlog of our
different
garden
and different plants.
garden tour. And before we start, make sure to punch that like button and what?
Smash that subscribe button. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of our garden. Wanna see? Oh, did you see that? Oh. Oh, oh. See that? You see that?
Huwag mo na pahiluhin. So, magsisimula muna tayo dito sa halaman.
This is small coconut plant. Small coconut plant.
And this?
Oh, we forgot this.
Ito hindi yan halaman, ito na lang.
This is stair plant. This is the same as that. This red plant.
Guys, anong mangyayari sa amin pag nahulugan kami nun? Like, muntik na mahulog na sa amin yan.
Then magkaparehas lang yung
Parehas
stair
lang.
plants. And this is
Meron tayo dito. Ito.
it's ordinary.
And ito po, this is kamyas. Kamya. Mabango siya, parang amoy patay.
And this is snake
plant. Also known as espada.
And this is called
And here we have the plant that looks like paradise, but it's really not.
spike snake.
And
Yellow
then
sun.
yellow sun. Pero mukhang ba, 'di ba guys, mukha lang siyang mabangong bulaklak, pero wala siyang amoy, lalo na pag sinira mo siyang ginanon. Babaho.
Kaya sirain natin, pauwi natin sa kanila.
Camera ko hindi naman amoy. Ano amoy?
Walang amoy.
Pwede mo. Ano amoy? Taktik to. Ano amoy?
Wala siyang amoy.
May lasa, guys, may lasa. And then here we have talong.
Yung ano, te?
Ito po yung
So, wala po yung talong.
talong.
Kasi
Kasi po, naani na.
maanin na.
Ito po yung talong.
Sinuksok po sa sa basket.
Wag po kayo maniwala dyan. Ito naman po ay buko. Ito na. So guys, may nagpunta dito na
Di
kaaway
natin
niya. Kaaway niya, guys. Mababoy kasi ito eh, baboy. And here, baboy talaga eh. Here we have talong.
Another talong.
talong.
Wait, there's bunga. Nisuksok at nagpupet.
Guys. Pag isasend ko to sa tatay mo. Okay. Now we have more yellow. And this is calamansi. Okay? And meron pa tayo. Ito, papaya. Dalawang papaya. Ito guys, maganda to eh. Ano siya, bonsai. Kaso nga lang nasira.
Nasa inyo tae.
Ay, hindi siya bonsai actually. Ano siya, yung walang halaman.
And this is oregano.
Oregano. Pwede yung pang palambot ng baka, baboy, di ba?
At ito naman ay
Mabango siya eh, lalo na yung yung orange.
sharp.
Hindi
Sharp ano?
And then here guys, we have this. Sabi nila malaki daw yan, pero hindi namin alam ang pangalan. And dito we have mini snake plant.
And then we have mini just one, just like that.
And now we are moving to the little plants, which
And this is
is
the biggest. This is the biggest.
yes,
The biggest. And we have more and more.
dalo. And then we have the white rose. And then we have,
This is the
nasan yung red natin?
red.
And here yung red, kaso nga lang nasira na.
And this is the the Lucky Charm leaf.
No, damo yung... Okay, so we're heading na sa mga magaganda. Eto guys, hindi ko alam yung pangalan nito eh. Pero maganda yan. And then here, meron tayong butas-butas. Ang tawag dito ay butas-butas na halaman guys. Butas-butas.
It's called,
Butas-butas yun. And here we have another kimchi.
the biggest one. Look.
Yeah, the biggest and tiniest one.
Ayoko lang.
Video. And then we have rocks. And guys, that is all for today's video. We have some guests. We have and that is all for this video.
And that is all for today. So stay good, guys. Bye-bye.